thank you to all the other amazing acts, Jeju, SNR,
Trinity May.
Trinity May. I'm so sorry. I love you, Trinity. I'm just like, I blank out. I literally forgot my friend of like 5 years' name the other day when I just get nervous and forget everything. So, but thank you guys for being here. I'm really happy that this event exists. Obviously, I want to see more AAPI representation in the music industry. So yeah, our first tune is called Dear Life. It's out on all streaming platforms, so please feel free to stream it and feel free to sing along if you guys catch along with it. But you'll know the part. Yeah, and it's just like, it's about this time, like kind of a dark time in my life. So yeah. Lately been feeling like collateral damage, not good, not bad, just something that happened, and I heard it only gets harder as you grow older. Tired of having birthdays, is that alright? An easy way out to be immortalized in time, the girl who can't bear the weight of a head on her shoulders. So I rewatch my old favorite TV shows, and I try to forget I'm growing old. Time's a strange thing to say the least. I'm scared of losing it, though I've always wanted to leave. I'm clinging on for dear life. Scared to sleep, cause I don't wanna wake up in the morning silence. Then the chest pain hits me without a warning. Escape my nightmares just to find there's no relief in waking up. Rewatch my old favorite TV shows, and I try to forget I'm growing old. Time's a strange thing to say the least. I'm scared of losing it, though I've always wanted to leave. I'm clinging on for dear life. Feel free to sing along. Oh, 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 oh. Dear life, why'd you make it so hard for me? Can't find the strength to stay, can't find the strength to leave. I'm clinging on for dear life. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. This next song, it's like a notch down, but it's like one of my favorite songs I've written. It's called Sensitive. Yeah, and it's just about kind of being like an anxious person, like in the relationships you're in and looking back on them. So, yeah. Don't know if you all relate. Yeah. But yeah. Sensitive. When God made Circling round and around, miles and miles, having covered ground, sobbing over all the words you never said, sinking into my skin, infinite thoughts and what ifs, sobbing over all the words you never said. Circling round and around, miles and miles, having covered ground, sobbing over all the words you never said. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Yeah, that song is really near and dear to my heart, but it's literally about someone who I saw like for 2 dates, so it's so silly. But like I like made it a story. So yeah, so this next song is like about growing up and kind of like the growing pains. So yeah, I hope you guys relate to it. It's called Toothache. Also, I just want to thank my lovely band for being here. Saxon, two-timing this gig. Woo! Pro over here. Tyler. My lovely friend, enemy, and drummer. And finally, Gibby Morgan Jonas. I don't know why I said your whole name. My bassist, who's been in here for the longest. So thank you so much. And thank you guys for coming. And thank you to Jeff for holding this. Woo! I have a toothache that's been going on for years. My gums are bleeding, nobody's here. I have a toothache and I'm fighting back tears. Holding up my spine, barely keeping it together. Got a tantrum coming loose, I got some thoughts, I feel the pressure. Lately it hurts, like coming home. I feel it in my bones. Left with who I am alone. I can't escape what I have grown. It's in my bones. Clap along! Messy and my mind's overgrown. Losing my temper, throwing the phone. Got my daddy's anger and my mother's tone. Going round and round on a chase that just never ends. Running away from where I begin. And it feels like coming home. I know it in my bones. Left with who I am alone. I can't escape what I have grown. It's in my bones. Thank you guys so much. Once again, my name's I.You.She, like she somewhere in the audience. And thank you guys so much for coming to my show and for all the other artists, Jeff, everybody again here. Thank you.